Hello, my sailor friends and all mariner guys. Welcome to MEO Insight. Now, next question: what is writing movement and what is writing lever? Before coming to this answer, first take a look. So, writing movement, when a ship inclined at an angle, the center of gravity remains same, but the center of buoyancy change over a new point and create a movement. This type of movement called writing movement. Now, writing lever, the lever between weight and buoyancy force bring the ship into its original position. This lever and GZ distance bring the ship its original position is called writing lever. Now, what is steep ship and what is tender? Coming to the first steep ship, those ship with number 1 large metacentric height, number 2 having a large writing moment, number 3 at a small angle of hill, which difficult to incline, and if inclined then very quickly return to its original position is called steep ship. And a tender ship, totally opposite, those ship with number 1 small metacentric height, number 2 having a small writing moment, and number 3 excessive angle of hill. This type of ship not quickly return to its original position and it's easier to incline is called tender ship.
Now, free surface effect. When a compartment not fully filled, the free area called free surface. Now, if the ship have free surface, then what type of effect on ship? First, let's assume this my shape. If we cut like this, and watch from there is my eyes. If watch from this side, then we get a cross section view like this. This is my ship cross section view, and this is my DB tank. Let's assume this also is my DB tank, and it's having a water, and this my water level. Now this let's assume this is my center of gravity, and this is center of buoyancy. Upward force AB, and center of gravity create downward force means W. If we put in DB tank some solid, we replace water with some solid, then what happened? Then if ship is tall, then my center of buoyancy must be shifted. If right side replacement shifted here to here, let's assume B dash, and my center of gravity, if it is solid, so it's not little tilt. If it's little tilt, so solid not move. Weight not moving in right side, so my center of gravity in same position. Center of gravity not changing. It's my downwards force W, and the new center of buoyancy, cut some point, corresponding line, cut some point. Let's assume like this, cut some point. It's my meta center M. So my writing lever, this my writing lever G, this denoted by Z, this my writing lever, this lever tends to shift its original position, like here to here. Now if we replace solid to liquid, then what happened? Look, this my DB tank, it's liquid. All liquid shifted from lower side of this ship. All liquid my shifted lower side of this ship. So this my center of buoyancy, this my center of gravity. So this center of gravity also shifted much more this side, this B dash, and this weight also shifted this side. So my center of gravity also shifted like this side, G1, and my new corresponding line M. So my GZ is less here, GZ is large, GZ is this one is Z, so GZ is less, so it is not easy to return its original position. It's not suitable, and this type of effect is called free surface effect. And this type of effect, what problem? So this type of effect, what changes? This type of effect first changes G shifted here to here. My writing lever GZ also reduce. GZ also reduce. Number 3, my angle of heel is increased. So this is not compatible for this ship.
Friends, here we try to cover mostly asked by MMD surveyor in Kolkata, Delhi, Visakhapatnam, etc. in last 5 years. So guys, subscribe this channel, and if you have any doubt, please comment below. We will discuss in the comment section.